Finally, here is a video where you guys won't have to see my face.
We must be seen. Whether we Ndakni or we Kithni, we must be seen. It's not a joke.
Hello guys. So welcome again to this channel. So today we are giving you guys Today I'm giving you guys a brand new episode. I think this is my second video in less than 7 days. So congratulations to me. So actually this is my official name. This is my title, even though mimi witwa. So today we are doing tech maze. So you guys who have been asking me about Windows 11, how I installed my Windows 11. So I'm going to take you through it. At least maze, you are not going to see my face as much as you always see it on these videos. So here is the trick. You guys have to watch this video till the end, because if you don't watch it till the end, you may end up wasting 7.6 GB of data for no good use. But uki watch till the end, you might actually save a lot. So now let's get to it, bana. So you guys probably been wondering how I installed my Windows 11. So this is the tutorial. I'm recording my screen actually using VLC, an amazing thing that I just learned today. So one thing you have to do is go to your hard disk, try to back up all the information you have. That is, if you have an external disk, that will be better. If you don't, then just back it up in your disk D. So you're backing up most of the things that you've saved in disk C, back them up on disk D. But I would prefer kama mnaweza toa pia mweke on an external disk, because you see, this is a Windows 11, not something that we fully trust yet. So after you've done that, go to updates. If you bought your Windows 10, kama ulilipia pesa, if you actually spent money on your Windows 10, then go to backup. You'll probably see upgrade to Windows 11. I'm not sure whether it got there. No, you know where I got my Windows now. So once you go there, then I think automatically you just click on upgrade, because it's free up to about 2023. People will just be able to upgrade. You won't be able to buy it, but for new installers, you'll have to buy it, at a cost. Yeah, so you just update to Windows 11 and that's it for you. You'll spend about 3 GB of data. Yeah. So now to the rest of us who did not buy our Windows 10 legally, now this is how. So as you can see on my screen, you go to this website. I have a link, the second link on my description to this video. You will find a second link there. Click on that. Now read the risks and the information that's given on that site before you download. With this download comes Office 2019. Amazing. So it's going to cost you about 7.6 GB. Download it. I've already downloaded. You can see mine. Ndo hii hapa kwa screen. So then open it and then click on this setup, and automatically it's going to take about less than 30 minutes and will be on Windows 11. Then you can customize it. I will review this, my Windows setup, everything, how it's performing. This is just for installation purposes, so that once we review, you guys know what we're talking about. Now this is the step 8, the final step. Before you go to step 1, ile ya kubackup, this is what you should have done. Go to this website. That's the Microsoft website. And mpaka chini, you'll see a place where they're saying Windows 11 is here, but it's not yet ready, blah blah. Download the app to see whether your laptop or computer is eligible for Windows 11, whether it can run Windows 11, so you don't waste 7.6 GB. As I told you before, don't waste your 7.6 GB if your computer cannot run Windows 11. So download the health check before you set before step 1. Click just like you can see on my screen, and it will tell you whether your laptop is able to run Windows 11. Then now start at step 1. Thank you so much. I hope you guys were not watching as you were working, but I'm sure it's not even downloaded as much. But thank you so much for watching. Click comment, subscribe, then like and share with this video so that people can go to Windows 11. But it looks amazing. Thank you so much.